Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of trigonometry. Okay, so in this chapter, we will learn how to solve for values of angles. Okay, so as you can see in this box over here, if the sine of any angle is a particular value, in this case half, then to find the angle itself, you will take the inverse function, okay, of sine. Okay, for example, sine inverse. So what do I mean? So for example, if I have sine theta equals to half, for example, then to find theta, okay, I will just take sine inverse of half, okay, of which this you can press into your calculator. Okay, I'll show you that how to do that in a while. So for example, okay, just another example. So if I have cosine theta equals to 1/3, for example, then to find theta, all I have to do is to take cosine inverse 1/3. Okay, and we'll press this into our calculator. Okay, so let's move on to look at some examples. Okay, example number 1 is a calculator question. We will use our calculator to evaluate these trigo ratios, and we will give our answer to 4 significant figures. Okay, read the question very carefully, to 4 significant figures. Okay, so how will we do it? Let me just pull up my calculator emulator over here. So the sine button is located over here on your calculator. Press sine, open brackets, 20 degrees. Okay, just ensure that your calculator is in the degree mode, okay, and press equals. Okay, so judging from the value of the calculator, it's 0.3420. Okay, so I'll just write it over here, 0.3420. Okay, to 4 significant figures. The next example. So if I want to input this in a calculator, take note that this is a fraction, so don't forget to start with the fraction key. Okay, then I'll press sine, open brackets, 42.5 multiplied by cosine. Cosine button is located here, 22.6, close bracket, and I'll move it down. So I'll come over here, cosine of 45.8. Okay, once you're done, you can press the equal button. So the answer should just be 0.8946. Okay, and the last example, the last part of this example. So I have 2 cosine 42.3 plus tangent of 33. Okay, press equals, and I'll get the final answer. Okay, so you must be wondering why we are doing all this. Okay, it seems like a simple example, but basically over here we're just getting you familiarized, okay, with the sine, the cosine, and the tangent buttons on your calculator. Okay, so for the last answer it's just 2.129. Okay, so moving on, we have